This is good.
That crunch was immaculate. Visualize with me. You're a kid. You just left the park. Riding home, back seat. You're hungry. You see those golden arches approaching. You say, Dad, can we get McDonald's? Dad says no. Mom chimes in. We had McDonald's at home, but you never did. Well, now you can. Let's get it. Start with a chicken breast. Just half of the egg. Get some salt. Put that in the food processor. Blend that up to a fine mince. Get a bowl of cornstarch. Form a nugget. Get the nugget fully coated in the cornstarch. Put it on a plate. Put it to the side in the freezer while we make our batter. You're going to get some flour, some more cornstarch, half a cup of water, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, some yellow mustard, and some salt. Mix those together. Should be about medium thickness. Now you're ready to get those nuggets from the freezer. Should look like that. Get those nice and coated in that batter. Then we're going to put those back in the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours. From there, get that oil nice and hot, ready to cook. Dip those nuggets in there. Take them out when it's nice and golden. It's going to be smelling good, looking good. Put those things to the side, cool down, get your sausage ready. Then it's time to eat.
Wow, this food. Look.